Hi, I'm Stephanie Jess, and I'm the assistant principal here at Manning School. We just had our first assembly with Mr. Baldermann, and our kids are so excited to show all of the great compassion that they learned about this year and all of our building, to show all of their expectations. And we're gonna have a really amazing year here at Manning.
Just a bunch of little things that made a difference. You can do that every day.
One of my favorite parts of my job is to come and see all the students face to face and celebrate them and talk about the great work they're doing and how we are an amazing team in 201, focused on compassion and hard work and dreaming big.
The most beautiful thing that you can do is to be good to yourselves and be good to other people.
Hi, I'm Dr. Ryan, and I'm the principal of Manning Elementary School. I'm really excited to see the results that we have achieved here at Manning. In all of DuPage County, we are ranked number 12 in this state. We are proud of our teachers, we are proud of our students, all the hard work they both put in. And really, we couldn't do it without the parents really helping us get the kids here and the teachers really embracing those children so the children want to be here, because we have one of the best attendance rates there is in the state. And if our kids aren't here, they can't learn. So thank you, parents, for really doing your effort at home to make sure kids are here and that we can be number 12, and we're looking to be number 1 at some point. So have a great day.